How's it going, YouTube? Nick here. I just got done installing my Hayden 670, I believe, transmission cooler. Let me see what it is. 679. Sorry, Hayden 679. Just installed it in my Corvette. Pretty big. And pretty much did the zip ties that it came with, and then there you go. There's the cooler right there in front of the condenser. Got both my lines. Had to take off the little fucking whatever it's called, little radiator shroud thing on top. You know, I could have done it the right way and taken off this radiator shroud, but I didn't. I did it without taking it off, and it was a bitch. But yeah, I need to clean out this condenser. As you can see, I cleaned it once before. You're gonna have to clean it again before I, you know, finally put this back together. But that's what I did. And then also I got the fittings. Hayden, shoot, I'll put the parts in the description. And they fit perfectly. They were 5/8 by 18, I think, inverted flare. And so yeah, I've got those fittings. Just screws into the radiator, and then this one does screws into the trans cooler return line. So all done, all mounted up. And in the previous video I uploaded, I showed my coolant temps of like in the 200s. So I'm definitely gonna give this a nice cruise right now after I put it back together, and see if the cooler made a difference. So alright everybody, and here's the transmission cooler that I got. It's the Hayden Rapid Cool 679, and then in order to attach it to the stock cooler lines on a 98 Corvette, and I believe it's before 2000 and below, you can use these fittings. It's a Hayden 390 transmission line fitting kit. So yeah, so that's where I got it. Alright YouTube, so I drove the car for a little bit. It took it a while to get to 156. Like, the car's already warmed up, like at 200. I think it was at 200. So it's warming up a little slowly right now that I'm parked. So yeah, coolant's at 207, and it's starting to rise finally. But once I start driving, I'm pretty sure it's gonna stay around 180. But it took it a long time. Like, man, like, it took it a while for it to get to 160 now. But so far so good. I keep checking, no leaks. But yeah, just enjoying my iced coffee like usual, and gonna keep driving this bad boy. Alright YouTube, so I just got on the freeway now, and so far, normally my transmission fluid would get to like 220, like, and I was just driving city right now. I'll let this guy pass, but I'm gonna see on the freeway if the temps drop any further. Like right now it's stayed like kind of like plateaued at 194. So I'm gonna see if driving on the freeway cools it off a bit more, as it should. Hopefully, I want it to be around 180. That's like my goal, or at least under 200. I just want to keep it under 200, slightly under, you know. But oh, there you go. Holy crap! It just dropped like 4 degrees. Sweet. And I got about like maybe 3-mile drive home on this freeway right now. So we'll see how long it takes. All right, so I'm gonna be getting off the freeway pretty soon, but as you can see, it dropped down to 180. It's doing its job. Cooler's working. I'm really happy. Hopefully the plastic zip ties that it comes with hold up. If not, that's gonna be a fucking nightmare. But I mean, later down the road, I want to fab up a custom bracket that fits over the radiator. I've seen people do it on the Corvette forums, but oh shit, now it even dropped further to 170. Okay, well, that's working. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I haven't another person, and I follow him on Instagram, and I got some advice from him. But the forums helped out slightly, not really too much info.